Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, as you can see, I'm going to show you how to make noodles in the microwave if you're lazy like me. So just put that in the bowl, add your spices. You can add, veggies, stuff, whatever you want in there, just like you would, like if you were cooking in a pot. I swear it's so much faster, and for me, it tastes a lot better than when I cook it in a pot. So then, I've added some water and I'm just kind of breaking it down because my bowl is not very big. And next, we will be putting it inside the microwave. Like I said, whatever you want to add. I just wanted the red peppers for a little color. That's all I was in the mood for. So into the microwave, and I pressed just 1 minute. Now, after 1 minute, this is what it looks like. So some of it is cooked, some not so much, because again, my bowl is small, so I'm just mixing it around, covering up the areas that are not well done yet. And as you can see, there's still some water at the bottom, juicy water, tasty water. So yeah, evening it out like that, and then I will pop it right back in the microwave. This is straight out of the microwave. I think I added maybe 1 minute. You can tell, based on the amount of water left and the texture, it's based on what you want. This is the final thing. Amazing. Do it, do it.